zoology. In zoology, we discuss these topics. Understand the biology, behavior, and the physiology of animals. We discuss some practical topics: animal dissections, taxonomy and classification, microscopic techniques, behavioral studies, ecology and field studies, parasitology, animal physiology experiments, reproduction study, genetic and evolutionary studies, wildlife conservation technique. In animal dissection, understanding anatomy through the dissection of representative species such as frog, fish, birds, mammals, taxonomy and classification. Identify and classify animals based on morphology, genetics, and evolutionary relationship. This includes learning dichotomous keys and examine specimens. Microscopic technique, studying animal tissue and cell under microscope. This includes preparing slides of different animal tissue like epithelial, muscle, and nerve tissue. Behavioral studies, observing and recording animal behavior in both natural and controlled environment. Topics can include mating, behavior, feeding habit, and social interaction. Ecology and field studies, surveying animal population, studying habitat, and performing biodiversity assessment in different ecosystems. Parasitology, identify and study animal parasites, worms and protozoa, their life cycle and their impact on host. Animal physiology, experiment measuring physiological processes such as respiratory rate, heart function, metabolism. Reproductive studies, examine the reproductive system of animals, breeding pattern, and embryological development. This includes studies the stage of development in eggs or embryos of species like chicken or frogs. Genetics and evolutionary studies, including breeding experiment, genetic cross, study population genetic in animals to understand the inheritance pattern. Wildlife conservation technique, practical conservation methods such as habitat restoration, tracking and tagging animals for migration studies, and managing endangered species. These practical activities are crucial for developing skills in animal handling, data collection, and experimental design in zoology.